Welcome to this quick guide on how to save a pin to a new board on Pinterest using your PC. Pinterest is a fantastic platform for discovering and organizing ideas, and with the latest updates, creating boards has become even easier. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open your web browser and navigate to Pinterest.com. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to browse through the pins displayed. When you find a pin that catches your eye and you want to save it, click on it to open it up in full view. Next to the Save button, you'll see an option that allows you to create a new board. Click on this option. It will prompt a pop-up window where you can start creating your board. Here, you need to fill in the required fields for your new board. Choose a name that reflects the theme or purpose of the board. This will help you find it easily later. After entering the name, look for an option that says Keep this board secret if you prefer your board to be private. This is a great feature if you want to keep your ideas under wraps until you're ready to share them. Once you've filled everything out, click the Create Board button. Congratulations, you've just created a new board and saved your pin to it. You can now return to your profile at any time to view or edit this board, adding more pins or organizing them as needed. Remember, Pinterest boards are versatile tools for collecting inspiration, whether for home decor, recipes, or DIY projects. With this new update, managing your ideas has never been simpler. So go ahead, explore Pinterest further, and make the most of your creative journey.